What is up, guys? Welcome to another Chasing Biggins TV video. Tonight we're out here at this lake. We're actually gonna set up, camp out here a little later than what I wanted to get out here. I wanted to get out here, you know, around 3 or 4, get on the lake, try to catch some crappie, because we were planning on eating some fish tonight. But first we gotta catch them. Everybody else is en route, should be here pretty soon. So I'm gonna run down here, get set up a little bit, and then jump in the kayak and hopefully go out and catch some crappie, because I'm trying to eat good tonight. We got the fryer, the oil's on the way, got some good cold brews, some friends on the way out, got some firewood. Should be a good night and a good video, so stay tuned. Alright, guys, well, setting out to hopefully go catch dinner tonight. Got my crappie pole here ready to go. I'm gonna go out here to the middle of this lake where it's nice and cleared and throw this little crappie jig. Hopefully catch a good little mess of them, and later I might start throwing out for some bass. Normally don't keep and eat bass, but in a situation like this where we just need fish to clean. Side note, I don't know if you guys ever tried to row a kayak through moss like that. It's not the easiest thing to do, but when we need fish to eat, we need to eat, you know. Ooh, I'm definitely spooking fish here, but I will keep a bass if it's an appropriate size. A few of them on this rare occurrence where we just need fish to eat. Kind of like a survival mode kind of deal, you know? Even though, I mean, obviously would survive if I didn't eat tonight, but it's kind of the whole mindset. Hoping there's good crappie in this lake. I'd rather eat a bunch of crappie than bass, but we will see. Oscar's over there catching them. Is it good enough?
Yeah.
Another dink. Keep catching dinks on here. Yeah, got another little dink here. But hey, catch a fish. It's fun. Look for little bigger ones we got to eat. We got 2 so far, but I think we got about 5 or 6 guys coming out tonight, so this guy's not going to cut it. But hey, it's fun. Thanks anyway, bud. See ya. Hooked up, boys. Hooked up. Hooked up, boys. Hooked up. I swear if this fish comes off, come throw these lilies. Gosh dang it. Bring myself over to him here. He's not real big, don't look like. Heck yeah, hooked up. Oh, he's decent, he'll eat. Hooked up, guys. Finally. Heck yeah. Oh man, I was so scared that fish could come. I don't know, he's iffy. Yeah, he'll eat. We need to eat. Oh yeah. Come here, boy. Hooked up again. Sweet. About the same size as the last one, but hey, we're catching fish. And I'm okay with that because after this morning, it's what I need. Plus, we need food to eat. I think this is like this probably might be enough fish right here to eat. Hell yeah. Let me figure out how to get over here. Go drop this fish off to one of these guys that are on the land. Good morning, guys. Just finishing up some coffee here, and here pretty soon. Just ate some breakfast. By the way, those little freeze-dried meals at Walmart, they're not too shabby. They're not too bad. They're actually decent. But ate one of those for breakfast, and now it's on my second cup of coffee here. Gonna finish this cup of coffee and jump in this kayak, run out in this lake, try to get some fishing done before it gets we got some storms kind of brewing in. So you can see probably over there it's getting a little dark, but that's north of us. Should stay north of us hopefully, but we will end up getting some rain here around noon or so. I think it's almost 9 o'clock now, so but we run out here and try to catch some fish real quick before the rain gets in. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so got some rain blowing in, but I wanted to jump out here and try to catch a fish or two before a storm comes through. It's not supposed to get here for another hour or so, at least not to the area I'm at. Hoping this front coming through turns them on. Oh, I'm hooked up, guys. Hooked up. Hooked up. Hooked up already. Heck yeah. Get over here. Just as I was will you chill? Alright, we're just gonna let the man handle you then. Might help if I let some line out here, huh? Heck yeah, guys. Another decent little pounder. It's about all we've been catching out of Hughes Lake. We didn't caught anything too big yet, but I think the biggest that we caught last night was like a 2.5, which is decent, but there's probably a little 1 pounder here. Little pounder. But hey, catching fish, that's always fun. Starting the day out right. Heck yeah, guys. This storm front must have them turning on. I mean, usually they bite pretty good right before a storm. So hopefully that stays true for a little longer here and I catch some more. Let's get them back and go get some more. How's that sound? All right, bud. See ya. Hooked up again, guys. Hooked up again. Hooked up again. Heck yeah. Oh yeah, he's better too. Man, he choked that thing. Heck yeah, that's a good 2-pounder, guys. Let some line out here. I knew there had been one sitting there. First cast after the other fish. And look at this. He choked that worm, that Senko. He choked that. Alright guys, so decided to go ahead and just keep that last fish. We were thinking about keeping some fish to eat for lunch real quick before we leave. Man, this wind is ridiculous. I can't even fish this well. Oh. Hooked up. Hooked up again, boys. Man, I've made 3 casts and I've caught 3 fish today. They are biting right now. Oh! Chill, dude. Man, this guy has no chill. Alright, so here's the fish. Just another small fish. We're not going to keep him. I'm going to try to get another good one to be able to eat. That's about the size of the first one I caught, I think. But yeah, they're biting today. I think I made like 3 legitimate good casts and caught 3 fish, so doing pretty good. I'm gonna keep throwing back out, get some more here. We need at least 1 more to eat. Hopefully, you know, I'd like to eat at least 2, but I don't want to eat these small little guys. I want to get the little bit bigger ones. You don't want to pull out every bass either. I mean, I'm not a big fan of keeping bass and whatnot, so when I do eat, I like to, you know, a rule of every one you keep, throw 1 back kind of thing. Kind of helps preserve the fishing, you know. Heck yeah, there's no one. Let's get him back. See ya. Hooked up, boys. Hooked up again. Oh yeah, that's a good one too. That's a good one too, guys. Oh yeah, that's a good one too. Get in here. Man, he choked it too. Oh, up in some brush. Here we go. Man, it's bleeding bad, but he choked that. He choked that. Luckily, I think we're gonna go and hang on to him to eat him too. We need a couple more. I've been throwing back a bunch of small ones. I think we're gonna go and hang on to him. Oh yeah, there's one. Oh yeah. Oh shit. It's a good one too, boys. Fuck yeah, dude. Guys, you see this? They are choking the Senko today. Chill, bud. Chill. Chill. Another good 2.5 pound probably. Might be in that 2 range, you know, closing on 3. Well, I think that's like what, 6-1 today? 7th one? I don't know. I've lost track. We're in them today, catching them. I think we're gonna go out and hang on to this guy for some lunch too. After this, we might be good on lunch. Well, maybe 1 more, but heck yeah. eating a good lunch today. Hooked up. Hooked up again, boys. Hooked up again. Oh yeah. Gosh darn it, I keep doing this. Alright guys. Fish like number 7 or 8. I don't even know anymore. But this is a smaller guy, we're gonna throw him back. But heck yeah. Another one for the count. See ya, bub. Maybe. You wanna go? Wait for you, bud. When are you gonna go? You ready yet? You ready? You gonna go? There he goes. Took a while to go. He's wasn't sure if he wanted to go or not. Hooked up. Hooked up. Oh yeah. Man. This lake is juice. Alright guys, well, there's there he is. I'm not even sure how many of this is yet anymore. Kind of losing track here. It's like 8 or 9, I think. This little lake is juice. It's literally the second time I fished this lake. We came out here one other time. We didn't catch anything. We went to a lake behind us and we caught some there, but we didn't catch anything here, but also wasn't on this kayak. But between last night and tonight, we've just been cranking them. This lake is juice for sure. It's a good lake. Definitely be making trips back here. See ya, bub. You wanna go yet? When are you gonna go? There he goes. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Alright guys, about to head out for the last time on the kayak. Gonna need one more for lunch. We're gonna go out here, catch one decent one. As soon as I get one decent one, come back in, fry them up, eat some lunch. Then we gotta pack up, get out, get home. It's starting to get a little late in the day here. It's I think it's getting close to 1. So, but we need one more to eat, to be able to eat good. It's been a crazy day. Been cranking them, that's for sure. I think I don't know, if I'm not in double digits yet, I'm getting pretty close. I'm not sure exactly. And we caught a bunch last night too. This little lake here, this little lake is juice. Like, this lake is money for sure. It's a good lake. It's definitely one of my new favorite spots. There's another lake back that way too. It's pretty good, and I haven't really got on the kayak yet, but I fished it there during the Guggenbait review video. I fished that, and it was a pretty good lake. We definitely caught some fish there. I have a feeling if get out there a good time on the kayak, we definitely catch a lot more. But this lake's starting to definitely showing up. Let's go catch some fish. Hooked up, boys. Hooked up. Heck yeah, he hit that as soon as I fell in the water. Oh yeah, he'll eat too. Heck yeah, guys. Here he is, guys. Not the biggest, but it's about probably a good pound. Probably a good pound here. But this is the last fish we were looking for some lunch here. So I think we're gonna head in. He was just chilling up in these lilies. I'm kind of drifted up in here, right here. Just you guys see all these lilies. He was just chilling right here, hanging out up in here. As you can see, this current is blowing straight in here. I just dropped this Senko right in here, and as soon as it hit the water, he hit it. Unless it dropped right in front of his face, because he smoked that worm. But heck yeah, guys, this is probably the 10th or 11th fish. I don't even know. It's been ridiculous today. It's just been absolutely cranking them. It's been a good day of fishing. We're gonna probably go and throw him. I threw a lot his size back, but we need one more for a little extra meat. Eat some lunch before we pack up and head home. So I think this is probably where we're going to end the fishing. I might go and throw one or two more times right on the other side of this little island in front of me here. See if, who knows, maybe we'll catch one more. There's one, hooked up, guys. Oh, he's good too. Feels good, it's pretty solid. Oh yeah, hooked up, boys. Hooked up. Where you going? Where you going? Come back this way, bud. Don't come off. Come here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Heck yeah, guys. All right, guys. This is the last fish for today. Good ending. That's a good 2-pounder there. Nice 2-pounder there. We're gonna go in here and finish cleaning these fish. Fry them up, eat some lunch. We got to pack up and head out. But it's been a good weekend. Man, this has been a good day of fishing. I don't know. This is 12, 13, 11. I don't even know anymore. It's just been nonstop cranking. Just been nonstop cranking on these fish today. It's been one of the most epic days I've had in a long time. It's been a good day, guys. It has been a good day. Let's eat up. Let's get some good eats going.
Yeah.